The Capodastro, or Capo for short, is a movable accessory for the guitar that you clamp to the neck of the guitar. This shortens the strings and increases the pitch per fret by half a tone upwards. The capo is placed between two fret rods, and this position is considered as the new nut from which one then counts the frets. The advantage of a capo is that you can transpose a piece into a different key without having to change chords. Likewise, keys that are rather difficult to play on the guitar are easier to set. You can still finger chords using empty strings to bypass playing bar chords, for example. For example, E-flat major would only be playable with a bar chord. With a capo in the 3rd fret, a standard C major fingering would sound like an E-flat major chord. There are also certain songs that you can actually only play with a capo. Without it, it would be very difficult, either because of the fingering, or in some cases, not even possible at all. Good examples of this are Wonderwall by Oasis, Scarborough Fair by Simon and Garfunkel, Avo Technology by Milau, and You're Beautiful by James Blunt. Notice that when the capo is set very high on the fretboard, the timbre of the guitar also changes and comes relatively close to the sound of a ukulele. When buying a capo, it all comes down to what kind of guitar you have. This is related to the profile of the fretboard. A classic or nylon guitar has a flat fretboard. The Western guitar with steel strings and the electric guitar have a curved fretboard. There are suitable capos for each guitar, which is then straight or curved. How do I attach the capo? The capo should sit as close as possible to the fret rod to prevent a buzzing of the strings. It is important to put the right pressure on the strings. If too little pressure is there, buzzing will occur. If it's too much, the guitar will sound out of tune, as the strings will then be pushed too far down between the fret rods. Depending on the capo, you have different ways to apply the pressure. You should also tune the guitar when the capo is set up, because the pressure may not make the guitar 100% in tune. For this, you definitely need a chromatic tuner, which recognizes all pitches and not only the empty strings of the guitar.